Visit Ford Country in the Valley Auto Mall today.
Presenting the 2013 Ford F-150. It's powered by a 5-liter, 8-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. With fewer than 35,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. The features include tow package, alloy rims, an alarm system, keyless entry, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, anti-lock brakes, hill start assist. Inside you'll find Bluetooth connectivity, Ford Sync voice activation, Sirius XM satellite radio, steering wheel controls, a premium sound system, a backup camera, curtain head airbags, front airbags, side impact door beams. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Every Ford certified pre-owned vehicle comes with 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive warranty coverage and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty. We've covered all of our bases with a 172-point vehicle inspection and vehicle history report. The benefits of a certified pre-owned Ford are endless. Drive one today.
Visit Ford Country in the Valley Auto Mall today.